7 candidates recommended for appointment. All the constitutional and statutory impediments for
knowledge and ability, protect, affection, ill will.
Judges wield immense power over liberty, property, and administration of justice. Judicial independence is indispensable, but it must safeguard the integrity of decision-making, not shield incompetence or poor performance. I implore you to do the right thing, however difficult, however unpopular, however uneasy it may be. Finally, when all is done and said, the things you do right will count. In regard to the COMESA Court of Justice, 5 judges of the Appellate Division and 7 of the First Instance Division have been sworn in. I therefore discharge this responsibility as the chairperson of COMESA on behalf of my colleagues, a task that has been entrusted to me by the authority of heads of state and government. This task bears witness to our efforts to fortify the operations of the judicial arm of the common markets, and the COMESA Court of Justice is an important organ of the common market, tasked with the responsibility of interpreting the COMESA Treaty. To the judges taking oath today, the responsibility before you is immense. Each case file represents more than a dispute. It carries with it livelihoods, investments, and the hopes of individuals, communities, and a nation.